Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, yesterday we have discussed about the pollination and its types. Today we are going to discuss the outbreeding devices for the pollination process. So, children, for the pollination, that the hermaphrodite flowers can undergo self-pollination process means autogamy. Children, hermaphrodite flower means both the male and female part means the androecium and the gynoecium are present in the same flower, so that it is called the hermaphrodite. So children, hermaphrodite flowers can undergo always self-pollination because both the pollens and the stigma are present in this plant and in this flower. So children, this is the autogamy. But what happens? Continued self-pollination results in the inbreeding depression. So to avoid the self-pollination and encourage the cross-pollination, there are some devices in the plants. There are 4 types of outbreeding devices in the plant. First is avoiding the synchronization, means the flower is released before the stigma becomes receptive, means the flower is released prior to stigma become receptive, or the other method, to stigma becomes receptive before the release of pollen grains. And the second method of outbreeding devices is to arrangement of the anthers and the stigma at the different position, means their height is change. The third outbreeding devices is the self-incompatibility. Self-incompatibility means it is a genetic mechanism to prevent the self-pollens, means from the same flower or the other flowers of the same plant. So children, from the fertilization process by inhibiting the pollen grains and pollen's germination, or we can say the pollen tube growth in this pistil. The 4 types of the outbreeding devices that you can see in this picture, like maize, castor, if the male and the female flowers are present on the same plant, it is called the monoecious, and it prevents the autogamy, but it's not the geitonogamy process. In this production of the unisexual flower, the male and the female flower present on the same plant, we know, and it prevent the autogamy but not the geitonogamy. But in the dioecious, what happened? Children, dioecious plant means papaya. For example, there are male and the female, both are the different plant. Okay. So the male and the female flowers are present on the different plant. It's called dioecious. And this prevents both the autogamy and geitonogamy process. So children, these are the 4 outbreeding devices. I hope children this topic is clear to you. Today is your homework to revise this topic from your book. Thank you children.